Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm so excited to show you this technique because it is, to me, it's really exciting and I'm just about sharing it with you. Now if you really like this video and it does make you go, which is what I hope that it will do, that it gives you the feeling that you can do this, that nothing is impossible anymore with this technique with regards to eyes. If you like it, please share it. Twitter, Facebook, you know, be nice, it'd be really nice. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you something absolutely marvelous. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply a light eyeshadow just all over my eyelid. We're going to use a nice shimmery eyeshadow here, and I'm just using it to just, you know, go over the eye. So I'm just going to stick it everywhere. Why not? You know, why not? When I was learning makeup, I was not naturally talented. I didn't have any artistic flair. So I had to find ways to make things work because I couldn't just do this amazing eyeshadow or whatever it was. It's just, you know, I had no ability, so I had to find ways around. So I developed the Idiot's Guide to Makeup for myself, and it worked okay. So here we go. What we're going to do now is create the most, it's not going to be a pleasant eyeshadow. It's going to look pretty horrific in every way, shape and form. That's fine. Let's just get on with it. So I'm going to use a kind of a reddy brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to make a start. I'm going to go all the way over my eyelid, not being particularly precise. I'm now going to take that colour all the way underneath. So like this, again, not being super precise. Now I'm going to take this. Now you don't need this, I'm just doing it for the sheer sake of it. Now I'm going to take that same eyeshadow and I'm going to lay this. Now this is a Lexus Vogue, it's a shadow shaper, but I'm just using it because it's just going to help me really make a mess of it. So that's the tail of my eyebrow, that's where I want to go. So I'm just going to stick this kind of here, right at the tail. I'm going to go into the crease, back and forward, winging it all over the eyelid, right at the end. Now I'm just going to make a bloody mess. Just going to go up like that, you know. It's not going to, I mean, if there is anybody out there at this particular moment that's going, oh, that looks great, you need to rethink your life choices. This does not look great. This is not good. Do not go out like this. I'm actually going to go in as well. Actually, first we will blend. So we're going to do a little bit of blending, same brush as I started with. So I'm just going to lightly just kind of blend this bit here. Nice. I'm going to go in with a slightly darker shadow now, right here at the outside portion, and I'm going to really keep it kind of more at the actual crease of my eye, and then at that outside corner, I'm just going to give it a blend. Why not? Because even with this technique, you still need to blend things. It's not a replacement for brushes. You do need brushes. And I'm just going to go underneath the eye here, and I'm actually just going to kind of drag that out a little bit more so that this bottom corner, you know, matches up with it. Okay. So this is where the magic happens. Now that's an actual good shape for my eye. It's going to be quite seductive, but it's not looking that way at the moment. It looks horrific. This is where the magic happens. Now, the reason this works is because you're using your skin tone to soften something. And this is very important because you can't save that with a brush because it's just going to start to move it. And even with translucent powder and that technique that I mentioned a while ago, this is too severe to save. So we want to change that. So you're going to take your skin tone. Now you're going to need a triangular sponge, and you're going to need a cream foundation. I use RCMA, it's a big palette, you can buy the singles. The reason you use a cream foundation like this and not a liquid is because liquids stay wet. These are dry. So dip your sponge into your color. I'm using Gina Beige, which is my skin color. And now you're going to see the magic happen. First, we're going to work underneath the eye because this bit here is just a little bit off. So I'm just going to just tidy up that bit there. Beautiful. Now all of this is going to change. Take your sponge, you're going to take it and you're going to lightly press it on the outside corner and bring it in. So just like this, on that outside corner, tap it, press it and move it. And you can see already that that corner here is starting to morph, and it's morphing because we're using our skin tone to alter something. So I'm just going to sharpen the brow just a little bit, and now I'm going to work on and I'm doing it at a diagonal here because I still want the eyeshadow to go up and out. And now I'm just going to take a little bit more and I'm just going to clean up this outside corner. I'm just going to further bring this in. I mean, look at how that looks now compared to how it looked before. So we're going to just do that whole process again, just to kind of show you. I'm just going to take my brush and I'm just going to bring it up like this. Now, that's just too much, okay? There's too much bulk here and here. So we're going to take our sponge, not too much, and we're just going to soften this color. And just remember where we were. And now it's gone. And the eye is still lifting and it's blended in because it's our skin tone blending in. We're going to finish this off. Hourglass. I'm going to pop this on the lid. I mean, look at that. This is Blaze, which is my favorite. Is it Blaze? It is Blaze. We're going to pop this on the lid. You know, why stop at one coat when you can do 20? That's what I say. Just popping out for a pint of milk. I'm going to take the other end of the sponge and I'm just going to just clean up should I need to. I don't really, but never hurts. Now I'm going to apply mascara. There you go, that's it, we're done. I so hope that you liked this video and that you found it informative and it's given you a spark to go and try something and do something and know that you can't make a mistake. You know, I love sharing techniques. You know, that's what I love to do. I love to share a technique, break it down and show you how to get a really good, beautiful result for your face, for your eye. Now, even with this technique, you still need brushes, you still need to create the shape and the placement, and knowing your eye shape is very, very important, and I've done videos on it. There's a link down there in the description bar. But if you like this video, and I hope you do, because it excites me to share it, then please share it and give it some love, because I would so appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.